8:30 at night on a Friday. We've got two Miatas. Turn off that music, copyright strike. We got two Miatas here, and we're gonna make like 1 1/3 complete car out of them.
Frying Miata.
All that stuff, a lot of this stuff, it's gonna end up there, either now or in the near future. Johnny's already been at work, as you can see, pulling the stricken engine out of this one, pilfering all kinds of parts, and what all's gonna happen?
I've made a pile of stuff to go on this car, a pile of stuff that needs to go back on that car, trash pile, and then a pile of stuff that's not going on this car, but I still need to keep, like the intercooler piping and everything. The motor's starter wire and one motor mount from coming out. I took all the premium, the tank full of premium out of there, put it in here. And my, what were they, Ken Auto door blocks, straight from Japan. Solid door now.
Boom.
Oh, and I took the Mega Squirt out of there. It's not installed, it's just sitting here. And we'll come back and mess with this later.
Hi, brother.
You're on YouTube now.
Like you said, motor's about to come out, just a couple things left to unplug, and she gonna be out. And there it is, it's out. After much drama, now all we gotta do is find a way to get it off the hoist and into its new home in this big old tire. We'll find a way. Oh, what a mess. Trans is off, engine's kind of in place, arguably so. How do you feel, Johnny?
Sweaty. I'm just showing up and taking credit. My name's Josh Cheney.
My name's Josh Cheney, and I'm a dick. I just show up, and I take all the credit. And then I monetize it. Enough goofing around. I'll catch up with you guys later. Time to quit goofing around and get to work.
You didn't even know you were sweating.
I am sweating. I'm clammy as hell. I'm a fat piece of shit. And you know what? That's staying in. All right. Current situation. Suspension's coming out of the green car. We did indeed get to work last night on some beers. We're taking the suspension out of this one. It's going in that one. Maybe more time lapses.
Maybe not.
Okay. Big jump cut, I'm sure. This is day, what, 2, 3, 12 of this escapade, and we've made some progress. Rear suspension's been swapped into the blue car. Still got to swap stuff back and forth. We're changing brakes over. Johnny's taking the seat out. We're going to start working on the roll bar. It ain't so bad. I mean, it's about to kind of get bad because installing a roll bar is a bitch, but it's alright. We'll get through it. Okay, so once again, I failed to be a good content creator. We've been out here working on several things, and I hardly recorded any of it. We really just wanted to get it done, but I am going to show you what's going on so far. Johnny's car's all taken care of as best we can do. This one's off to its new home. There's parts everywhere we've got to clean up, but let's take a look at the blue one. So the suspension's all on the car, his TN coilovers are on, and it's had the night to settle. It's resting pretty, got the Racing Beat front sway bar on there. Car's sitting real nice, looking good. We've got his Mega Squirt all ran, the car starts and runs and everything. He's got his Skunk 2 manifold on here, catch can, all that. Protege valve cover, all that stuff. Working on tidying some stuff up here, working on an intake. Pretty squared away. We had a little bit of drama with this Skunk 2 manifold. Apparently it gets real close to the NA8 starter. I guess it's not so much a problem if you put an NB starter. When we put this on, luckily we left the battery connected because it arced off the starter and started a fire. So we had small dramas last night, but luckily it wasn't that big of a deal. At least we didn't disconnect the battery, put it all together, only to find out that it was going to catch fire, because the car straight up would have burnt to the ground if all of this was bolted down and tight. He had a couple nuts on it slightly and was able to just spin them off real quick, throw them on the floor, and we got the fire out, thankfully. We've also got the roll bar in here. Let me throw the top back. Boom, got his Boss Frog Clearview Max in here, all bolted down nice. Got the quick release, the personal steering wheel, wide bands there in the vent, and, you know, it's looking like a Miata, a good Miata, a modded Miata. Stock Miatas aren't that good, but modded ones are aces. Whatever this video ends up being, that's all the footage I got, but I hope you guys enjoyed at least being able to see the mostly finished product of the thoroughly molested 94R package. One of 140. But now, only caught on fire once, and now, with all the modifications, it's one of one. Alright, that's lame. Alright, so, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, whatever this video ended up being, and I hope you look forward to more content coming from me in the future, whenever, whatever that may be. But for this time, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Damn, this is some solo Nats looking shit right now.